Today we're in Showroom 1, and we're going to take a tour of a very special car that we own called LT1. LT1 is a replica of the real LT1 car that's a famous race car from Jaguar. This car started out as a left-hand drive steel body car ordered from Hornburg in Los Angeles and delivered to California in the United States. Then it was rebodied years later in aluminum. It's got aluminum seats. It's appointed with beautiful interior. The car is British racing green exterior with suede green inside. It's got the 4-spoke wood wheel, which is gorgeous like jewelry, full instrumentation. It's in Concord condition. It's got the Brooklyn windspring. It's also got a battery cutoff switch, and again, the car is aluminum. It's got racing seat belts with a stowaway compartment behind the seats to stow those away and other things that you want to carry with you. It's a daytime car. It has a cover over the cockpit, and it's a really special car with a speed fill gas tank. And the engine compartment is powered by a C-type engine, which is used on the 140 MCs. Most of all, it's got Sandcast large SU carburetors, which is exceptional for power. Also, it features the aluminum radiator and aluminum header tank and all aluminum sheet metal around in the engine compartment. And check out the spark plug wire hold downs for racing to keep everything very secure. This is a great rally car, great touring car, great Concours car. It's done very well in Concours with us. It's won several trophies, and it's a real head turner. And it has the aluminum body, but it's got the aluminum hood with the louvers with a belt that goes on there. And you can see the Sandcast large carburetors. This is an exceptional car for the purist that wants something exciting without the large ticket to go with it for the discerning Jaguar collector.